Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Podia for seamless course delivery, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Podia account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Products tab located in the left sidebar. Select Create New Product to begin setting up your course. Choose Online Course from the options presented. Fill in the title of your course in the designated field. Add a compelling course description to attract potential students. Next, upload a cover image that represents your course effectively. Scroll down to the Curriculum section to start structuring your course content. Click on Add section to create different modules or units. Within each section, you can add lessons by clicking Add Lesson. Choose the type of lesson you want, such as video, text, quiz. Upload your lesson content accordingly, ensuring it is clear and engaging. After adding lessons, rearrange them by dragging and dropping if needed. Now, set up the pricing for your course by navigating to the Pricing tab. Decide whether you want a one-time payment or a subscription model. Fill in the pricing details and any discounts you wish to offer. Next, go to the Emails section to customize your communication with students. Create an onboarding email that will be sent when students enroll. Set up reminders for upcoming lessons or events related to your course. Once your course setup is complete, review all sections for accuracy. Finally, toggle the visibility to published when you're ready to launch. Congratulations, your Podia course is now configured for seamless delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.